Hello, my name is Nitin. Last September, SPIAC presented the third generation of its magnetic amplitude and gradient probe system, the MAGPIE 3. Yesterday, I received and installed it in my DASY8 platform. My first impression is that the probe is quieter, lighter, and seems to become less warm than the MAGPIE 2. Today, SPIAC released the latest software DASY8 Module WPT version 3.2 and MAGPIE version 3.2, which add new time domain measurement features. Next, I will test how these features help to evaluate this commercial phone charger. I have already placed a phone on the charger and started charging. The reference sensor is placed next to the charger and the MAGPIE 3 probe is touching the surface of the phone. Now I proceed to launch the DASY8 Module WPT version 3.2 software. The first improvement I notice is the enhanced user interface. Target sensors can now be selected intuitively through either the interactive table or the sensor diagram. The time sweep tab has been renamed Zero Span, emphasizing its role as a frequency domain measurement at a specified peak frequency. The new event snapshot feature is integrated into the time domain tab. To activate it, I set the duration to 1 second and start a single shot measurement. The measurement completes within a few seconds. The initial visualization uses a high decimation factor, but zooming in reveals all the details, including the ASK or amplitude shift keying communication signals. For further analysis, I save the snapshot data as npsed file and visualize it without decimation. This allows detailed inspection and even decoding of the captured communication packets. Next, I capture an event snapshot while removing the phone away from the charger. The snapshot clearly shows that the charging stops at the end of the 1 second duration, confirming that the transmitter of the charger shuts down within 1 second. ISED requires a transmitter shutdown time check for the nerve stimulation compliance testing. For documentation purposes, I save the snapshot as a PNG file which can be included in the compliance test report. The new envelope streaming function is available in the last tab. To demonstrate this feature, I place the phone back on the charger and start a 10-second streaming session. When I remove the phone, the field level in the envelope plot rises and then drops to 0, leaving only ping signals. This envelope plot also demonstrates that the charger powers down in less than 1 second. To examine the characteristics of ping signals more closely, I reposition the MAGPIE 3 probe directly on the charger and initialize another streaming session. Parameters such as pulse width and duty cycle can be accurately determined from the envelope trace. Module WPT version 3.2 now introduces time averaging for the first time, displaying the field averaged over a configurable time window along with the instantaneous envelope trace. The new features of DASY8 Module WPT version 3.2 are indeed powerful for analyzing DUT signals and in particular for evaluating transient behavior of DUT transmitters, a requirement for demonstration of compliance. Thanks for watching this video.